Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're tackling a super practical topic: how to withdraw Tether USDT from Bitrue to Kraken in 2025. Whether you're diversifying your crypto portfolio or just moving funds around, this step-by-step guide will make it easy and secure. Tether is one of the most popular stablecoins, and transferring it between exchanges like Bitrue and Kraken is straightforward if you follow the right steps. Let's dive in. First things first, make sure you have accounts set up on both Bitrue and Kraken, and that your Tether is in your Bitrue wallet. Start by logging into your Bitrue account. Once you're in, head over to the Wallets or Assets section to find your Tether balance. Next, navigate to the withdrawal page. This is usually under Withdraw or Transfer Out in the menu. Select Tether USDT from the list of cryptocurrencies. Now, here's a crucial step: choose the right network. For most transfers to Kraken, you'll want to use the ERC20 network, but double-check Kraken's deposit instructions to avoid any issues. Enter the exact Kraken wallet address for USDT. You can find this in your Kraken account under the Deposit section. Specify the amount you want to withdraw, making sure to leave enough for any network fees. Review all the details carefully, then confirm the transaction. Bitrue might require two-factor authentication for security, so have that ready. Once submitted, the withdrawal will process, which could take anywhere from a few minutes to an hour, depending on network congestion. While you wait, keep an eye on your transaction status using a blockchain explorer like Etherscan if you're on ERC20. Pro tip: always start with a small test transfer to ensure everything works smoothly. Once the funds arrive on Kraken, verify your balance in your Kraken wallet. And that's it, you've successfully withdrawn Tether from Bitrue to Kraken. Remember, crypto transfers can involve fees and risks, so stay vigilant and never share your private keys. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more crypto tutorials. See you in the next video.